Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is Hindu undivided family or joint Hindu family. This is the fifth type of form of business organization. Till now, we have discussed sole proprietorship, partnership, company, cooperative society. These four forms of business we have already discussed in detail. Now, this is the fifth and the last form of business organization, that is Hindu undivided family. So, what is the meaning of Hindu undivided family? The business carried out by the member of Hindu undivided family is known as joint Hindu family business. This kind of business is not governed by any industrial or company act, but it is governed by Hindu Succession Act, which exists under Hindu law. Clear? Just like company is managed by Company Act, partnership is managed by Partnership Act. In the same way, Hindu undivided family business is managed by Hindu Succession Act. Clear, beta? So, which business? Now the question is, which business is called Hindu undivided family business or HUF? So, there are two conditions. If business is following that two condition, in that case it will be known as Hindu family business. The first condition is minimum two male member. Clear? Remember this, male member, minimum two male members must be there in the family. And the second condition is existence of some ancestral property. Ancestral property means that is your parental property, जो आपको आपके एंसेस्टर से मिली हो, पूर्वजों से मिली हो, फैमिली का, जिसपे जो एक फैमिली के फॉर्म में फैमिली के वो कंटिन्यूसली डिवोट की गई हो, डोनेट की गई हो. सॉरी, नॉट डोनेट, मीन्स करेक्ट वर्ड इज इनहेरिटेड. क्लियर? सो the ancestral property is inherited by the male member of Hindu undivided family. The member who share the ancestral property and who are entitled to get the share in the profit of joint Hindu family business are known as co-partners. Remember this word, beta, co-partners. Clear? It is written in bold letter, that is co-partners. Who will be considered as co-partners? So answer is who share ancestral property and entitled to get share in the profit. जो भी हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड फैमिली में प्रॉफिट हो रहा है उसको प्रॉफिट को शेयर करे और उनका प्रॉपर्टी में हिस्सा हो. दे शुड हैव ऑनरशिप इन द एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी. वो लोग कहलाएंगे बेटा को पार्टनर्स. दे विल बी नोन एज को पार्टनर्स. क्लियर? Very simple topic. Now there are some features. What are the features? So just these are some features of Hindu undivided family. First feature is formation. For the formation of Hindu undivided family business, there should be at least two members in the family and ancestral property to be inherited by them. Business does not require any agreement as membership by birth. It is governed by Hindu Succession Act 1956. So first characteristics is formation. It is how it is formed. So we already discussed that there should be two conditions: minimum member 2 and there should be an ancestral property. If these two conditions are there, then your business is formed. Clear? There is no agreement and there is no other legal document which is available or which is prepared by the Hindu undivided family, because it is a family business, and the act through which it is governed is Hindu Succession Act 1956. Remember this act, Hindu Succession Act 1956. Second characteristics is liability. So the liability of a karta is unlimited, whereas liability of all other member of joint Hindu family business is limited up to the share in the business. The karta's liability is unlimited, so his personal assets can also be used for paying back the debts of the business. Now you know very well what is the meaning of limited liability and what is the meaning of unlimited liability. Clear? In this chapter, in all form of business, we have discussed limited liability and unlimited liability. Here one word is used, that is karta. Who is karta? So head of the family who is managing the business is known as karta. ठीक है, जो भी फैमिली के हेड है और बिजनेस को मैनेज कर रहे हैं उनको कहा जाएगा कर्ता, हिंदी वर्ड है। और उनकी जो लाइबिलिटी रहेगी वो अनलिमिटेड रहेगी, जबकि अदर जो को पार्टनर्स हैं, अदर मेंबर है, उनकी लाइबिलिटी जो रहेगी वो लिमिटेड रहेगी, लिमिटेड टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ देयर शेयर। क्लियर बेटा? थर्ड वन इज कंट्रोल। So the joint Hindu family business is managed and controlled by the senior most member of the family, who is called karta. Only the karta has legal right to enter into a contract with outsider. He only takes all the decision of business. Other members have no right to take decisions in the management of joint Hindu family business. Clear? We have just discussed who is karta. Karta is the senior most member of the family, and only that karta has a legal right to enter into a contract with outsider. Without his permission, nobody can enter into a कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विद द आउटसाइडर। यदि बाहर वाले से कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है, बिजनेस डील करनी है, तो वो बिजनेस डील केवल करता ही कर सकते हैं, अदर को पार्टनर्स को ये राइट नहीं है। अदर मेंबर हैव नो राइट टू टेक डिसीजन इन द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस। ठीक है, दैट इज वाई द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ कर्ता इज अनलिमिटेड। ठीक है, सारे डिसीजन वही ले रहे हैं, सारी वर्किंग वो कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए उनकी लाइबिलिटी जो है, कर्ता की लाइबिलिटी अनलिमिटेड डिसाइड की गई है, जबकि को पार्टनर्स दे आर जस्ट द फैमिली मेंबर एंड पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द बिजनेस, that is why their liability is limited. After that, fourth one is minor member. In joint Hindu family a joint Hindu family business, a child become a member by birth only, so there is no restriction for the minor to become a member of the business. Now it is a family business, so as the baby born, he is a member of that business because it is a family business, it is your ancestral business. ठीक है, बर्थ के साथ ही आप क्या होते हैं, इसके मेंबर बन जाते हो। क्लियर बेटा? अब इसमें एक जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि एंशिएंट टाइम में, एंशिएंट इन द मीन्स previous year before 2004, only male member have right to be a partner or co-partners in the family business of Hindu undivided family. But in December 2004, a bill was passed in the parliament and it amended that provision. Now girl or female can also be a member of Hindu undivided family. Clear? Since when? After December 2004. तो बेटा 2004 के बाद यदि कोई लेडी है तो वो भी बिजनेस में उनको भी इक्वल राइट्स प्रोवाइड किया गया है, ठीक है। फीमेल हैज़ इक्वल राइट इन द फैमिली बिजनेस। बिफोर 2004 they have been they have not been given equal rights as male, क्लियर। 2004 से पहले उनको फैमिली बिजनेस में इन्वॉल्व नहीं किया जाता था, ठीक है। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड family. I hope it will be clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much.